Hey friends, if you wish to insert word art in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. So first of all, point your cursor at the location where you want to enter word art. Now, interestingly, word art used to be a part of Microsoft Word's main home interface in earlier versions of Microsoft. It was just next to bold, italic, and underline, and you could have easily added it, but that is not the case these days. So here's what you have to do. Go to the insert tab, which is required to insert anything. Go to word art, and then you can select word art from here, but actually we have very limited options these days, but it's okay, we have something, we can just add it. Okay, actually the reason behind the declining importance of word art is that we have way more options to add fonts and types of fonts and modify fonts and all. So word art is not that popular these days, but yes, you can add it, and you can also add reflections and shadows and everything to it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.